How to change Suica app to English. If you know, the Suica app is actually only available exclusively with the Japanese language. So unfortunately, it does not have the feature within the inbuilt settings to change the language. However, there are some ways that we can use to translate the pages in Suica. So here you can see the Suica app. Let's say I want to translate this page into other language. I'm using a Google device that has a feature called Live Translate or Circle to Search. This is also available with Galaxy AI. So when we just long press on the home screen like this, inside the Circle to Search you'll find a little translate icon as well. So when you just tap on this translate icon, it will translate whatever is inside this particular app to another language. So right here you can see in this case it has changed the language from Japanese to English, just like this. So this is a feature that the Google Pixel devices have, which is called Circle to Search. The other way you can do is you can simply take a screenshot of this. Once you take a screenshot of this app interface, you can go ahead and open up Google app, go to Google Lens icon here, and just add that particular image over there. And once you add that particular image, then you can just tap on this translate option to translate it to English. So this is also another way to achieve it. But just within the app we don't have a setting, but we can try to find out what is actually written based on our Google's feature. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.